The #1 thing to do in Zermatt is to ride the Gornergrat Railway to the Gornergrat Mountain. This highest open railway in Europe takes you to the summit at over 10,100 feet. The panoramic views are unrivaled, as you are surrounded by 29 peaks at over 13,100 feet. And for that reason, it's a hiker's dream.
The Gornergrat Railway wishes you a pleasant stay.
But the most impressive are the close-up views of the Matterhorn and some really beautiful glaciers. This really is one of the best places to be in the Alps. Please click subscribe and follow for more adventures in Switzerland and beyond. See you on the road.